Hello guys, and welcome to my third advent calendar unboxing of the year of 2020. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Ted Baker House of Blooms advent calendar, and right now, as of when I'm filming this video, this has got a bit of a discount to it. So I wanted to tell you that it is normally £45, but on Boots at the moment it is £33.75, so a lot more affordable than the other ones I featured in this series, but still very excited to get tucked in and see what is behind each door in the run up to Christmas in this box. So Ted Baker have a beauty range, and I've tried loads of the makeup in the range before, and it's really great quality, really gorgeous packaging, and the body products in the range as well, like the fragrance and the body wash, they are all delicious smelling. So yeah, I'm excited to get stuck in. I'm not really sure what to expect with this box, but the packaging, all I have to move out the way, is so gorgeous and actually really nice and easy to open, I imagine, because it's all on one side and nothing's going to be falling out and sliding around. Hit myself in the face with it. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Let's unbox this. Start off with door number one. Oh, I like that. It's like not got a lid, so it doesn't take as long to unbox, which is nice. And also, first impressions, it's all cardboard and recyclable, which is amazing. So in door number one, we have a miniature Ted Baker lip balm. I actually don't think this is miniature, I think this is a full size, and that colour is gorgeous. That is right up my street. It doesn't say what the colour is, but I'm going to apply it. Oh my god, I love that. That is like my dream lipstick shade, and super moisturizing, smells amazing, and I really like the packaging of that as well, like a really nice metallic kind of rectangular. So yeah, love that. I'm really impressed actually. Getting off to a very good start there. Day number two, we have a Floral Bliss moisturizing sheet mask. Sheet masks have been all the rage over the past couple of years, and I haven't tried a Ted Baker one. I actually didn't know they did this. Day number three, we have, cute, this is a nail file. Normally in advent calendars you get those really annoying plasticky ones, but this is very good quality. It feels like a glass or like some sort of porcelain, so it will last a lot longer, and the design on it is really cute as well. I am loving this box so far. Really nice range of products. Day number four, this one is wrapped up. I love the packaging of Ted Baker products. This is the body spray in Floral Bliss, so this is one of their best-selling fragrances. Give it a spritz. Oh, sweet but floral. That is absolutely gorgeous, and the packaging is just perfect for traveling with, and also would look so cute on your desk or your bedside table. Door number five, we have another body product, the Opulent Crush body wash. It has modern musky base notes with white patchouli and a dewy raspberry and pear for a celebration of sparkling citrus. Yes, that smells really good. Number six. Oh my god, oh my god, I actually can't believe the quality of the products for the price of this. I'm so impressed. Like, if I bought this for myself, I'd be really chuffed with it. Maurice. We have a cat who is very interested in all the tissue paper. Aren't you? Woo! Are you liking this advent calendar as much as I am? It's pretty, isn't it? Pretty. So impressed with this. This is the eyeshadow trio palette, and it has three eyeshadows in: pink shimmer, peach shimmer and burgundy bronze, and this will go with all skin tones. They're really beautiful shimmery shades, and I love the packaging. This must be limited edition packaging for the like festive stuff from Ted Baker, because I haven't seen this kind of packaging colorway before. Love that. Number seven, Floral Bliss EDT. So we have, is it a roll-on or a spray? It's a roll-on, perfect for traveling with. I really like a roll-on perfume because you can really like put it where you want to put it, even in the hard to reach places. Number eight, oh my god, that is so cute. Scrunchies. Scrunchies in the Ted Baker House of Bloom colourway. And look, I'm wearing a scrunchie today. I do love a scrunchie, so these are very cute. Very usable. Sometimes you get products in advent calendars that you're never going to use. So yeah, this is handy so far. In number 9 we have the Peony Spritz body lotion. I think this might be one of my favourite fragrances from the Ted Baker range, but this is a body lotion enriched with coconut oil, and the fragrance is notes of pink pepper and floral peony, which I really like. Oh, eyeshadow brush. I love that. The colour of that is gorgeous. This reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. It's the same colour, same material, and the same kind of ribbed texture, but this is a very nice small kind of pencil eyeshadow brush. I use an eyeshadow brush every day like this to apply my eyeshadow underneath my lower lash line, so very handy that. Door number 11 we have a Ted Baker cuticle oil. Again, I didn't know that they did nail products, and a cuticle oil is a really good one to go for, obviously, because everyone has a different preference with nail varnish colours, but a cuticle oil, everyone needs to keep their nails in good condition. In door number 12 we have another one of their sheet masks. This is in the Peony Spritz fragrance. In door number 13 we have a bubble bath, the Opulent Crush bubble bath. Love that. I'm actually thinking of treating myself to a bath tonight because I deserve it. 14 tweezers. That's actually really handy because I always lose my tweezers. These look great quality and printed with the Ted Baker kind of logoing as well. This might be my favourite advent calendar so far because I'm actually going to use all of these. This one and the Molten Brown one, I think they might be my faves. Number 15 we have the, oh my god, Ted Baker, what are you doing to me? Dry shampoo powder. There are, like, I thought I was pretty clued up on the Ted Baker beauty bits, but obviously not. Dry shampoo powder, and I need some of that. I'm just gonna, oh, it smells amazing. So look, you just put it in your hair, and then I'm guessing massage it in, and your hair won't look greasy anymore. That's actually blended in really well. I like that a lot, and if it makes your hair smell like that, that's gorgeous. And I also think this is going to last a really long time. Day number 16, Floral Bliss moisturising eye masks. So I'm guessing these are those patches that you can place under here. Number 17, Peony Spritz body wash. So now we've got a complete set here. We've got the body wash and a body lotion. Day number 18, oh my god, that is so cute. It's a little like coin purse with this really pretty print on it. In day number 19 we have the In Shower body lotion in the Opulent Crush fragrance range. So this is enriched with sweet almond oil and indulgently moisturizes wet skin. So you use that whilst you're in the shower to moisturize, which I quite like the idea of. Day number 20 we have a Floral Bliss hand cream. Day number 21, love that as well. Eyelash colours. I use eyelash colours every single day. I feel kind of naked without my lashes being curled, and these ones are beautiful, are really pretty rose gold, and they feel like, yeah, they feel like they're gonna do a really great job. Day 22, body souffle in the Floral Bliss fragrance. Day 23, I actually don't want this box to end, it's so good. Oh my god. Day 23, you get a full size shimmer body wash in the Midnight Bloom fragrance. Infused notes of green tea, magnolia flowers and winter flowering honeysuckle. So apply directly to wet skin, working to a lather and rinse off. And I'm guessing, yeah, because it's a sparkle, yeah, it's got a really nice shimmer kind of iridescence to it. I love that you get that full size. And this isn't even in the final day. So in the final day is day 24. And you get a really cute kind of silk feeling eye mask to finish off and complete your pamper. I really like these for travelling with, for taking on an airplane or trains if I'm going on a long journey, just to block out any of the noise. It's kind of like a safety blanket for me a little bit, because I've got a phobia of people being sick and I'm always worrying about that on airplanes especially. So I like to just have these around my head just in case I feel like I'm getting a panic attack. I just pull it down, not necessarily to sleep with, just to block out the rest of the world. I am so impressed with that advent calendar. I was not expecting it to be this nice or this luxurious. The things I'm most excited about in this box is the lipstick, just because it's like my perfect favourite lip colour, the eyelash colours, eyeshadow brush, and also the bubble bath and the shimmer body wash, because I love anything with a little bit of shimmer. So there's so much in this box I absolutely love and can't wait to properly try. This box retails at £45, but I think that's such a bargain for what you get, a really nice selection of body and makeup and kind of pamper products, which any girl would be very excited to get for Christmas. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Lots of love, guys, and I will see you soon. Mwah!